Did you know that you can triple your income from a single book just by publishing it in multiple languages? Most authors only publish in English, but Amazon has global marketplaces where French, German, Spanish, Italian, and Japanese books all sell every single day. And the best part, you don't need a translator or expensive software. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to create a book in English, translate it to Spanish, and translate it to German, giving you 3 versions of the same book ready to publish and make money. Step 1. Idea generation. Let's start from zero. First, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a short book idea. I can prompt something like, give me a simple nonfiction book idea that could be explained in 3 chapters with 3 sections each. See that? Instantly, I have a concept. For this example, let's choose this one. Perfect. Short, practical, and easy to demonstrate. So now step 2, outline creation. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to expand the idea into a full outline. I'll prompt something like, create a detailed outline for our short nonfiction book with 3 chapters, each containing 3 sections. Now there we go. 3 chapters, 9 sections total. That's enough to create a solid short book or lead magnet. And remember, we did this in under 2 minutes. So now step 3, generate the English version. Next, let's build the actual book content. I'll take the first section and prompt ChatGPT, write chapter 1, section 1 in about 1,000 words. Look how quickly it creates a polished draft. I'll repeat this for each section, but to save time in this video, I'll just fast forward through the rest of the content being generated. And just like that, we have a complete English draft ready to go. Now step 4, translate to Spanish. Now for the fun part, translation. I'll open a new tab in ChatGPT and paste the English text in chunks, asking, translate this into Spanish for a book manuscript. Keep it natural and easy to read. Notice how it keeps the formatting, chapters, and sections consistent. Within minutes, I can have the entire book replicated in Spanish. That's an entirely new audience of millions of readers in Latin America, Spain, and beyond. Which brings me to step 5, translate to German. Now let's do the same process again, but this time for German. I'll prompt, translate this manuscript into German for a book. Make sure the tone feels natural for native German speakers. And look at that. How amazing that it can easily turn this into a German book within seconds. And there we go. Now we have 3 complete manuscripts, English, Spanish, and German. That's 3 income streams from 1 piece of content. And now finally, step 6. Export to Word. The final step is just copy and paste. I'll take the English version into Microsoft Word and save it as the English manuscript. Then I'll repeat this with the Spanish edition and again with the German edition. Now I have 3 polished manuscripts, each one ready to format for KDP and publish in its own language marketplace. So here's the recap. In under an hour, you can go from an idea to a finished book in English and then instantly multiply your reach by translating to Spanish and German or any other language you desire with ChatGPT. This is how you turn 1 book into 3 income streams without writing more. And if you want the full publishing system from idea to bestseller, including translations, audiobooks, and bundles, I teach it all inside my course. The link is below if you're ready to scale your publishing business worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.